Oh boy. How's it going, everyone? So what am I working on now? Well, I got this older Honda Accord. I'm not quite sure the year of it. I'm going to say it's probably like a 2001, 2002, something like that. It's not important. I think I got to change my drawers because it just scared the daylights out of me. Alright. I've actually never had this happen before, and it really startled me for a second there. Alright, so what happened? Well, I'm driving down the road, and I'm trying to feel for a weird vibration. This customer says it comes and goes. Okay. But I'm not really paying all that much attention to the car itself. Like, cars, to me, they've always been a part of me, if you know what I mean. Like, when I get into a car to drive it, I usually become part of the car. It's like just a very natural thing for me. I get in it, and like within 10 feet, I kind of know how the car's going to work and operate and everything else. Even like with a stick shift, hit the clutch once, I kind of know how it's going to react when I'm driving it. And people have always said that to me. It's just like, it comes so natural to you to go from one car to another, and it really does. So I'm driving down the road, and this is how I normally drive. Let me show you. So I'm sitting there just like this, and of course, I got it in gear, but I'm driving down. I got my hand usually like this when I'm driving, and I'm not, really paying too much attention to it. So I'm going down the road. Here, I'm at the church. I'm going down the road, and like I'm not really paying all that much attention to what's going on, and all of a sudden the road makes a turn to the right. So I grab the steering wheel, to do this, but I'm not holding on all that tight, and I go like this. And you see what just happened, right? I went like that with this outer ring, because I'm just holding on to it lightly because that's what I'm used to, and it did that. Let me tell you what, that scared the bejesus out of me, because I really thought I was turning the wheel. Like, I wasn't focused on the wheel. I was just focused on the driving and like what I should be doing. And wow, mind blown, because it really startled me. Amazing. I mean, I can't stand steering wheel covers. Hate these things. And I don't even know why this is even on here, because the steering wheel actually looks like it's in great shape. Probably from having this on, but nonetheless. Wow, that really startled me. So I thought that was kind of interesting. I thought I'd show you that. Now I gotta go find a place to do a safety wipe, I think. All right, that's it. Thought I'd share that with you. Anyway, whew. This week is an interesting week. Let me tell you that. So it's things are progressing. More on that by the end of the week. All right, guys. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you're getting something out of my videos. That's it. Have a great day. Keep wrenching.